went to the store and weighed the dumplings, and I know this is the diamond dumpling, so open it with me. If you didn't know, there's a dumpling more rare than the glitter dumpling, and that is the diamond dumpling, and there's only 10 of them in the world. And y'all, this dumpling weighs 2 pounds, so it has to be the diamond dumpling. Like, this is heavy. 3, 2, 1.
You know, let's see what dumpling you got.
Oh, fuck!
Hey guys, so me and Cassie went to Five Below today, and we accidentally took the wrapping off, but it like feels really heavy, like unusual, like the regular ones. So we're gonna open it and see if it's the ultra rare glitter dumpling. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, look away, look away.
I'm so confused. Wait, let's open the other one.
What if none of them twist the top?
Okay.
Yeah.
Stick this one.
Okay.
Okay. And then this one.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do that one first and look.
Ooh! Whoa. Feels weird. This one's pretty!
That one's pretty.
Okay, now this one.
Yeet!
No, but I love them all, you know? Go.